Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I have got another collection to show you from Nailchemy. This one is their Storm collection. There's 3 greys, a pink, a green and a kind of taupe colour. So I'm going to show you them all today. I did think it was a little bit of an odd time of year to release these. I perhaps would have left it till later in the year, but I don't know, some of these colours you could still use right now. So this first one is called Typhoon. Now out of the 3 greys, there is one that I prefer the most. I found it nicer to work with than the others, but I will show you it when I get to it. So I think this one was my second favourite of the greys. It did, like, can you see some of the colour in the middle is, it marbles ever so slightly, but not much, this one. It's not the end of the world. This next one is called Thunder. Can you hear my children? They're so noisy. They're not actually noisy. They're being really good today. I'm just trying to find... Okay, I had to stop the voiceover then because I have actually mislabeled my my swatch pops. So I've put the wrong names on the greys like a complete plonker. So I don't want to talk about one that's not the right one. Okay, this one is my least favourite grey. There were like wishy-washy patches through it. Can you see what I mean? Like the sides aren't that pigmented compared to the middle. I don't know what it was about this one. I just did not like it. Then there is Tornado. This was my second favourite one. It did marble ever so slightly, but nothing. It was a lot nicer than the first grey. I keep forgetting the names. And this one isn't as dark either. So that is that one. Hang on, no. This was my favourite grey. Oh, I don't know. This was my favourite grey, this one. I'm going to compare it to, yeah, that one, which I don't like. Can you see, yeah, I don't know what it was about that one. I just didn't like it. And then this one, that was my, yeah, that's the second favourite one. Okay, sorry, I'm getting myself all confused. I probably confused everyone else. Those are quite similar as well. So if you were going to pick any grey, I'd pick this last grey. The next one, don't really understand the name of this one, but hey ho. This one's called Cloudburst and it is a green. This one, I wouldn't particularly use this in a set, but I tell you what I would use this one for, 3D leaves and stuffs, which I have done in this video, but oh, I'm so annoyed with myself. I don't think I pressed record on my phone when I was videoing the 3D bit, unless I did and I've accidentally deleted it. I don't know what's happened, but this one is really good for doing 3D leaves if you want to do any 3D acrylic work on nails. I like this one a lot. And I'll say the last one, but this is not the last one. This one is called Sandstorm. It's a really nice nude pink. So there was me saying at the beginning, a bit of an odd time of year to release this, but there are still some colours in here that you can use for the summer. I'm not going to be a complete Debbie Downer. Do I sound like I'm moaning a lot today? I do feel like a good old moan today. I don't know what it is. I just feel like a good old moan. So I'm going to try not to moan too much. There we go. Because I do actually like this set of nails in the end. And I do like this colour. Right. This next one is called Mist. And it's like a taupe. A taupey taupe? Is that what you call it? A taupe. An earthy colour. It looks a bit darker once the liquid hits the powder, but it's still a very pretty colour. Pretty? Would you call it pretty? I don't know that I'd call it pretty, but it's a nice colour. It's like a neutral nude, you know. I like that. Nice. Okay, now stop showing them that nuts. Come on with the set. Now I will just say the taupe nail that I do in this set, I saw a set on the nail poetry group, and I snapshotted the photo so I could show you because I wanted to credit the person. But the nail that I do the 3D work on, I liked the look of in this set, and I'll leave the photo here for you to look at, and I'll put the person's name there. But she's I think it was a she. God. This set inspired me to do this set, so yeah. So ignore the dark grey nail that I've done there. I don't know, I wanted to do 2 pinks, a grey, but I didn't feel like 2 pinks, a grey and a beige, a taupe, but I didn't feel like the grey went, so ignore that is there. I'm going to remove that in a minute, and replace it with, yes, you know it, some glitter. My other half has just pulled up outside. So yeah, so this is going to be pink, the same as the pinky. We're just going to leave this absolutely plain, pretty in pink. It's quite a nice pink, isn't it? It's like an all year round pink. Right, so here we go, we're back. Right, now we're going to use Grape Soda because this is so freaking nice and I've hardly used it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of the mist down. I want to call it taupe now. I'm going to put the mist down. This is just, I wanted to just put some of the cuticle area so that the cuticle area looks neat if we miss any, you know, if you miss any spaces with the glitter. I've picked the glitter up with a very wet small bead of clear acrylic, and I'm going to just spread that glitter all over the nail. We're going to cover this nail all up. Isn't this glitter gorgeous? This is from Nail Sugar. If you want to get 10% off any Nail Sugar glitters, you can do so using my code NATMUG10, all in caps. The website is closed over the weekend, but it will be open again on Monday. So what you can do is get on the website, make a list, and then get your order in on Monday. Get a little bit of sparkle in your life. Right, so now we've done that, what I'm going to do is I am going to cap the nails. And I am using Nailchemy's Crystal Acrylic. This is their clear. I'm nearly out of this one actually. I can't believe how much acrylic I've got. I've done so many acrylic sets lately. I've gone through so much acrylic and liquid. Oh my god. I'm actually going to have to buy some soon. And I haven't bought acrylic liquid for so long. Right, my dog's going to bark in a minute, so I'm going to stop this and I'll come back in a sec. Okay, he's not come back in, so he might have gone to the shop. Confused.com. Anyway, right, we're just going to cap all the nails in clear, and then I will go ahead and file and buff them. If he does walk in and the dog starts barking, I will obviously stop the voiceover and start again in a minute. I'll just put a little bit more on there because I felt like it looked a little bit not dodgy, but it just felt like it needed a little bit more up there. And then I'll probably fire most of it off anyway, because I do that. I usually cap, I put too much on. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Right, we filed and buffed them. They're looking very pretty already. So I'm going to use Nailchemy's non-wipe top coat to top coat the nails. I do top coat the taupe nail, but because it wasn't until I got this far. In fact, it was after this when I wanted to do the set that I showed you from Nail Poetry Group. I saw those after I'd done this, and then I saw her nails and I was like, oh, because I was thinking I need to do something else with these nails, because although they look nice like this, they just needed that something extra. And then I saw her nails and I was like, yeah, that's what it needs. So although I top coated the taupe nail, I did need to go ahead and file the top coat off to start again. So I kind of, yeah, just ignore the whole top coated nail at the minute. Nailchemy gel polishes and top coat secure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. I do let that top coat settle a bit before I put it in the lamp. Okay, see, it's yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so she'd put 3 lines on her nail. So I'm going to use the, this is the Artisan gel paint in black. We're going to do a line down the centre, quite a thick-ish line, not too thick, but like thicker than, do you know what, this is the joy. This is the joys of the flexi hand. You can pop that finger off and move it around like nobody's business, but you can't do that on a client. How lucky am I? There we go. So yeah, so this is my flexi hand, Babs. This is Babs. Gloria, who I said was on holiday, I lied. She's actually shielding, so I haven't seen her for a little while. She's inside shielding from COVID-19. Oh yeah, right. When you've done this first one, I put it in the lamp to cure it. I just wanted to flash cure it, right? But you're not going to believe this. I know. I put it in the lamp, right? And as I put it in the lamp, the finger decided to roll over. Now it has got, the fingers are slightly flat on the bottom to stop it from rolling over, but I must have put it in at a funny angle. I don't know what I'm doing here. There we go. So that is that done. I'm going to put it in, right? And it rolls over. And this happens. Oh, so I had to clear it up. I had to clean it up. There we go. So, right. I'm going to put 2 down the sides as well now. I'm not going to show you me doing this. I'm just going to put 2 more on. 2 more lines because it's the same as the middle one. So 2 down each side. And now we have done. So the artisan gel paints, they cure for 60 seconds, not 30. So they were cured for 60 seconds. Now we're going back over with our non-white top coat. I'm going to show you the 3D work that I added on. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened to the recording. I'll have to do it again though, because I really liked this nail, the design on this nail. So I'll have to do it again with something else in a different design. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Don't forget to check out Nailchemy's website and Nail Sugars. Don't forget you can get 10% off using code NAILMARK10. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you lot on Monday.